Hello everyone, welcome to Most Cooking Corner. Now I'm going to cook some lemon rice with vegetable. Let's get into the video. I'm just going to make lemon rice. So first thing, I need to boil rice. The here is go like 500 gram long grain rice. So I start to boil with the pan. So just cover it up. So let's start to boil the rice first for the lemon. Just for the lemon rice, I got rice is already steamed now, it's cooked. So what I do, I just remove the water, then I start to make lemon rice. Now I start to cook lemon rice. So my tawa is ready, the pot. So what I do, I just put a spoon of butter. Half slice onion, salt, ginger garlic, so keep mixing up. Put some whole mustard, keep fry it for 2 minutes. Okay, onion is fried now. So onion and mustard fried together. Now I'm gonna put like turmeric powder, haldi powder, 1, 2, 3 teaspoons. Keep mixing. I'm gonna add 5 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Just I pulling lemon rice. Now I have add some mixed vegetable already boiled, so it's all cooking together. Mix together. Just few pieces of curry leaves. Just give you extra flavor with the lemon rice. So it's got mixed vegetable, lemon juice, haldi powder, curry leaves, and mustard. So all cooking together. So it's almost ready. Now I'm gonna add this rice. Now I have steamed rice already, long grain rice. I'm gonna add up with this mix. Now start to mix. Keep mixing. So mixing is done. So that's my lemon rice is ready. So I just repeat it again. I got half sliced onion, very thin slice, ginger garlic paste, 2 blocks. Then I put mustard, whole mustard, butter, lemon juice 5 spoons, curry leaves. Cook all together with the mixed vegetable and mix up with the steamed rice. So that's the lemon rice is ready. Okay. I hope you'll enjoy.